We're back again with another video. Basically, in today's video, we're going to be dealing with something called the absolute value. Technically, the absolute value of something is nothing but the distance of that something. Okay guys, here we've got the absolute value of x, and it's represented by a number line where it goes from -2 to +2. The distance from 0 to 2 is the same as the distance from 0 to -2. Since the distance is positive, then we're going to consider that to be of the magnitude 2. Hence, we got two conditions: the absolute value of x if x is greater and equal to 0. Okay guys, if you recall well, we know that all numbers that are greater and equal to 0 are positive. Therefore, we're going to have positive x. And if x is less than 0, meaning that 0 is not included, then we know that all numbers that are less than 0 are negative. Therefore, we're going to have negative x. This is more like breaking down the absolute value into two parts, because we got negative x and positive x. Okay guys, similarly, here we got the absolute value of x plus 2, meaning that we're gonna have two solutions. The first case is when we have x plus 2 are greater and equal to 0. Okay guys, all numbers that are greater and equal to 0 are positive, meaning that the absolute value of x plus 2 will be positive. Then we're gonna have x plus 2 equal to 7, because here the sign is equal. Okay, solving for x, we're gonna have x equal to 7 minus 2, and this is nothing but 5. Okay guys, we still have this condition: x is less than 0, meaning that we're gonna have negative x. If x plus 2 are less than 0, then we're gonna have, okay guys, x plus 2 are less than 0. We know that all numbers that are less than 0 are negative, meaning that the absolute value of x plus 2 will be negative. Then we're gonna have negative x plus 2 equal to 7. Distributing negative into the parentheses, we're gonna have negative 2 negative x equal to 7. Negative x equal to 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then we're gonna have x equal to negative 9. Okay, we got 11. The absolute value of 3 plus 11 is greater than 42. Okay guys, to solve this, we will divide throughout by 11. Then we're gonna have the absolute value of 3x plus 11 is greater than 42. Oh sorry, I mean 42 divided by 11. The first condition is 3x plus 11 is greater and equal to 0, meaning that we're going to have positive of this absolute value, 3x plus 11. Okay, we will have 3x plus 11, and the sign here is greater, meaning that we're going to have greater than 42. 42 divided by 11. Okay guys, we want to solve for x. Then solving for x, we're going to have 3x is greater than 42 divided by 11 minus 11 3x is greater than 42 divided by 11 minus 11 is nothing but negative 79 divided by 11. Yeah, to get rid of 3, then we're gonna divide out by 3. We will get x is greater than negative 79 divided by 33. Yeah, that's it for the condition number 1. Then we still have this condition. The second condition is when 3x plus 11 is less than 0, meaning that the absolute value this time will be negative, because all numbers that are less than 0 are negative. Then the absolute value 3x plus 11 will be negative. We get negative of 3x plus 11, and don't forget that the sign here is greater. Then we got greater than 42 divided by 11. Okay, let's distribute negative sign. Then we're gonna get negative 3x negative 11 greater than 42 divided by 11. Solving for x, we're gonna bring this to the right hand side. Then we will have negative 3x is greater, it will be greater than 42 divided by 11 plus 11. Okay guys, to solve for x, we're gonna divide it throughout by negative 3. Then if we divide it throughout by negative 3, then the value of x will be x is, okay, before that, when you have the inequality sign, here we get the inequality, and if you divide by negative, then the inequality will change. So the inequality here will be less than negative 163 divided by 33. Yeah, that's it for this video.